Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 55. Which of the following is not part of the male sex cell? Now, when you hear the word male sex cell, it simply refers to the male germ cell. Germ cell is also referred to as the sex cell. Now, the male sex cell or the male germ cell is the sperm. The sperm or the spermatozoa is the male germ cell, that is the matured male sex cell. Now let me give us a diagram or a brief diagram of this sperm. Now please don't mind my diagram, it's not perfect though, but I'm just trying to illustrate something. Then we have the tail. Now this is the head of the sperm. This head usually has a lipoprotein sheet. Now here is what we call the acrosome, that contains enzyme that enables it to penetrate the walls of the ovum, that is the egg. Now here contains the nucleus. This is the nucleus of this sperm cell. Now here contains the mitochondria that provides energy for this sex cell. Now also here you'll find the axial filaments. The axial filaments, which are situated over the centrioles, and this is the flagellum. The flagellum that enables it to swim off movements. Now if you look at this now, you notice that the tail, yes, this flagellum is also known as the tail. You can call it the tail of this sperm cell. You notice that the sperm cell contains the tail, which is the flagellum, the nucleus, like I described, like what contains the genetic materials, the axial filaments, and the acrosome. But this Graafian follicle here is not part of the sperm cell. The Graafian follicle is part of the female sex cell. You find it in the female sex cell, which is known as the ovum. The female sex cell is the ovum. That's the egg. So the Graafian follicle is like the outer covering or the outer shell of this female sex cell. So the Graafian follicle is not part of the male sex cell, thereby making it the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.